Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anda Iviana Juniani. Uh, I would like to present my proceeding for ICAS Indonesian Polytechnic in 2024. I wi- I write I wrote this article with Pranidya Otavia, Rizal Indrawan, and we are from the Design and Manufacturing Engineer from Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya, Indonesia. And the last author is Aurel Maidivi Salsabila. She is from the College of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering from Chunyuan University, Christian University, Taiwan. We our our proceeding has a title Utilizing the Metal and Analytical Network Process or DANP approach in product design selection. College in the development of design of product is one of the effort for the manufacturing industry to make the product better in appearance and functionality. The product design development refers to the innovatively changing customer needs or improving their existing product. So this product development has an aim to meet the market needs and also strengthen the competitiveness against the existing product. In here, we conclude that the selecting a product design is pivot very critical stage in the overall product development process because the choices made during this phase might impact the product market performance. So we use in here two approach. First of all, we knew that the multi-criteria decision making is an approach in decision making based on the alternatives to multi-criteria. This research study explored three product design concepts, which with benefit and drawbacks. It, this article has an aim to determine the most optimal concept among these three design possibility. The multi-criteria are established to achieve the optimal design based the customer requirement. And then to address the issue, criteria near to the optimal design selection result, an integration of Dematel and ANP will be employed to finish the case study of product design selection. First, we will refresh and our knowledge environment about the DEMATEL, Decision Making Trial and Evaluation Laboratory. DEMATEL is a method used to analyze and visualize the structure of complex causal relation among factors in the system. This method, this DEMATEL, is very beneficial for decision making in complex situations with many interdependent criteria. And the next one, the literature review that we have read right here is the analytical network process or ANP is a method used to solve problem in multiple criteria decision making. ANP is a development of the previous method, which is analytical hierarchy process. The main concept of NP is influence, so the output of the ANP is also to determine the relationship and dependence of several variables that can influence the decision making. The A&P process was developed because of many problems in decision making cannot be structured hierarchically. We can construct the problem like the analytical hierarchy process method. The argument of those condition, it is involve interaction and relationship or influence from the highest hierarchical level to the lowest hierarchical level. And in the core phase, in the third section here, which is the research methodology, this research integrates the Demeter approach and analytical network process with the flow of research conduct here. We identify the problem and we do some the structural literature review, and then we design the concept until we apply the DMATEL and ANP, making the network diagram, and finally we select the design concept result and make the analysis and conclusion here. In the first design concept, we using the stopper system of the spiral section here with this consideration about the manufacturing, operational, and cost estimation. And the second design concept, the spiral section, is stopped via a switch here. We also do the analysis with three aspects here about the design for manufacturing and then its operation condition and also the cost estimation. So is the third design concept is. In the third design concept, on the stick shapes cutting part, we using a moving blade here in order for this machine for uh, cutting potatoes. Yes. And our finding and discussion, uh, we the we the we structure our finding in discussion in this flow of flow of argument. We distributing the expert judgment questionnaire and then creating a matrix or direct relationship and then normalizing the relationship until we produce the impact diagram. Nah, in every criteria from the manufacturing factor, operational factor, and the cost factor, we uh, we describe it criteria. For example, in the manufacturing factor, there is a three criteria here. The first one is can be assembled. The second one is the short manufacturing process. The third one is the component to be assembled are easy to get to the market, both offline and online store. And in the operation factor, the first criteria is easy to clean. The second criteria is easy to maintenance. And the third criteria is easy to use. And the fourth operational criteria is easy to repair in the event of damage. And the last factor is only have one criteria is the minimal production cost. After we describe every criteria and its from its factor here, we do the pair-based comparison matrix and then continue with the analytical network process here with the every step that we describe in the flowchart diagram here until we get the supermetric and the global weight value. And as a result from the global weight here, I'm sorry, from our result, we we produce three design alternative. In every uh, in every alternative, we do the normalizing by cluster and its limiting. From the third alternative design, we concluded the best recommendation product design development is from the second alternative, which has the highest normalized by cluster and also the highest score in limiting. Uh, and from another operation, we we focus on the variable easy to use here, which is also has the highest normalized by cluster and the highest score of the limiting here. So in our conclusion here, the DeMattel and INP method were used to analyze the relationship between criteria from three different design concepts. This combination offers the comprehensive approach to decision making in complex situations. So it requires a deep understanding of both method and separate questionnaire for each. The analysis, as I have described before, it is determined the second design concept with a score 0.442 and 201, and also focus from the criteria easy to use. So this design will be used as the basis from creating the potato cutting machine development. And this is our reference. And hopefully this presentation is very beneficial for us. Thank you for the great opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.